Hi guys, welcome to China. I am in the city of Hongkong in China. It was a cold, bright, sunny day. Look at the bus, looks so cute. So today I'm going to West Lake, which is also known as Shihu in Mandarin Chinese. In the lake are four causeways, three artificial islands, and Gushan, the only natural island. The lake has influenced poets and painters throughout Chinese history for its natural beauty. As I told you that it has three artificial islands, so we are going on the other island. So let's go. So this is the ride for today. No, not this one. This one. I wish I could go on that boat. Anyways, so ये हम चले अंदर मस्त बैठ के पूरा अच्छे से सीन देखेंगे अंदर से प्यारा सा। और फिर अचानक से मुझे याद आया कि मुझे अपने 17 Pro Max का जूम देखना है। एनीवेज, so there you go, we have started and we reached to the other island. Look at this, looks so pretty and beautiful. It had become a cultural landmark and one of the most visited tourist destinations of China. The lake is recognized to have influenced garden designs in China, Japan, and Korea over the centuries as an idealized fusion between humans and nature. और मुझे तो आना ही था वीडियो में ऑफ कोर्स। दिस लेक कंसिडर्ड वन ऑफ द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल साइट्स इन हॉन्गकॉन्ग। फिर हम चले कुछ खाने के लिए। वेल, इफ यू आर वेजिटेरियन फॉर अ डे, इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू फाइंड वेजिटेरियन फूड इन चाइना। एंड एज यू कैन सी, देयर यू गो। And then we went to the small shop, was actually in that island. Yes, look at this, it was so beautiful. Khane ka bhi tha, and there was so many souvenirs that you can take home. And look at these little ones, look so pretty and beautiful. मेरी आंखें पड़ी इस टैंक पे, the fish tank. Look at the fishes, look so beautiful. I saw these fishes in the lake. Look at these fishes, man. They are so fat and yummy. अगर मेरे पापा होते तो बोलते बेटा चलो एक फिश निकाल दे, मस्त फ्राई करके खा लेते। ये मैं 17 Pro Max का जूम चेक कर रही थी guys. Thank you so much for watching my China vlog on Hong Kong. Hope you liked it. Subscribe. Bye bye.